Hello there, hope you're doing good. And in this article or video, we are going to see how can you attach a disk or drive in your Azure virtual machine. So as you are aware that when you have a local machine, you can manually install or plug in your hard disk. But when it comes to Azure VM, it is not possible. So what you have to do is you have to create a disk first and then mount it here. So in this article, I mean to say article, I have created article as well. You can visit that article from our description. You can just check out. And coming to our video, we are going to see here how can we do that. So first, what you have to do is you have to go to your Azure portal, okay, where your Azure VM is hosted. I mean to say the subscription where your Azure VM is available. So what you have to do is on your left, you can see you have currently I am logged into my Azure portal, and this is the VM currently which I was showing to you. On now I want to mount a particular drive in that particular machine. So what you will do on your left, you can see if you scroll down a bit, under settings, you will find disk option. Click on that disk option. Under that disk, you have couple of options here. So at the bottom, you can see create and attach a new disk. Okay, if you have an existing one from other VM, you can attach that, but currently I don't have one. So this is in your case it will be blank. Suppose if you have none, so currently I have one, so I will show you how to mount this. But basically what you have to do is first you have to create a disk. So what you have to do is create an attached disk. So you can just label that particular disk like priority wise. I would not say priority like one after the other, so you can just name one of the learn here. And if you want to learn more about this, you can just click here and you will get the details. Name this particular drive a name. So in my case, I will give Azure Data Disk. So already I have given as you can see in the above. So I'm going to use that disk, how to mount it. Okay, here I'm just showing you an example. And here in the storage type, you have to select any one of those from the list of options here. As you can see, we have zone redundant and local redundant. So depending on the requirement, you can choose one of those. So we have standard SSD, premium SSD, and we have I think so premium SSD version 2. So if you want, you can go with premium SSD version 2. So I will just go with premium SSD. As you can see, once you select, you have to specify the size in GB. Suppose if you want 1 TB, then you have to specify 1000 GB, like 1024. Okay, so depending on what size you choose, you can just put it here. Okay, and once you do that, scroll towards right, leave everything default, and you have to make sure that it is read write. Okay, otherwise you will not be able to put something in that particular drive. Since we are mounting it, so we have to give permissions for read and write. Okay, so once this is done, so what you have to do is you have to hit apply. Okay, once you hit apply, it will take hardly 1 or 2 minutes. As you can see here, updated virtual machine. First what it will do, it will create a drive and then it will update in the virtual machine. Okay, so once this part is done, what you have to do is let me discuss these changes. So once that part is done, you have to log into your virtual machine. Okay, let me log into my virtual machine first. This is my virtual machine, and as you can see, once you mount, you will not be able to see here. So for this, you have to do an additional step which I will show you. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to just search for manage disk. Okay, manage disk, and once you see that manage disk and volumes, you can click on this. Okay, or you can click on this as well, create and format hard disk partitions. And suppose if you're not able to see this, in most of the scenarios I have seen couple of cases where we will not see that. So what you have to do is you have to come to file explorer and right click on this PC, go to properties, and oh sorry about that, yeah, right click on this and you can find here show more option. Click on that and hit manage. Okay, and once you do that, you will be landed on this page. So at the under the storage section, you will find this device management, disk management, sorry. So once you do that, as you can see, it will automatically pops you up what partition you want to use. So as you can the drive which I have mounted in the Azure portal, I mean to say I have created in the Azure portal disk drive, it is as soon as you click on this disk management, it will show you this particular option. If it doesn't show, don't worry, we can do it later as well. Okay, so if it is showing for you, so what you have to do is click check this box. Already everything will be default. You have to always go with GPT. Okay, hit okay, and once you do that, let me maximize this, and you can see it is the partition is GPT now, but you can see it is unallocated. Okay, so if you didn't get that pop-up, no worries, you can you will be able to see this. So what you have to do is right click, new sample volume, hit next. Okay, leave it default. Okay, and you can just name this particular type. So in my case, I will just put it I, and I will hit next, and you can leave the file system as NTFS or default allocation. If you want, you can just name it data disk. Okay, and perform a quick operation, hit next and finish. Once you do that, it will format and the basic disk partition will be allocated on your drive, as you can see here. So this is the simple way how you can create a disk drive in Azure portal and mount it here by using this simple steps. Let me copy and show you something as well. Suppose if I want to copy this, what I will do is Control C, and I'll go back to my data disk H and I'll put it here. And as you can see, it is pretty fast and it was copied not within 15 or 20 seconds. So this is how you can mount a particular Azure disk drive to your virtual machine. Okay, so let me know if you have any other feedback or way to do that. I hope you understood and like this video. Please feel free to visit our site and comment down if you have any queries or questions. I'll be creating articles and videos regarding this. You can visit our channel as well. Subscribe and hit that bell icon to get the latest post or update from our YouTube and website as well. So we'll see you in next upcoming videos with a new topic.